Hello, my dear students. I hope you're doing fine at home. My name is Miss Camila, and today we're going to learn about prepositions of time. The objective is to identify and differentiate among prepositions of time. First of all, prepositions of time are words that are used to introduce the part of a sentence when the action happened, and we work with three prepositions of time in English: at, on, in. They usually go in this order. In is usually used to talk about general or bigger time. On is more specific or smaller than in. And at is very specific and is the smallest. Here are some examples of this preposition of time with sentences. At, as we said before, is used to talk about very small time or very specific time. So we use it to talk about hour or very specific time of the day. For example, at 3 o'clock, at 10:30 a.m., at noon, at dinner time, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at the moment, at night. In is used to talk about a time bigger. For example, we can say in May, so we use it to talk about month. In summer or in the summer, so we use it to talk about seasons. In 1990, so we use it to talk about years. In the 80s, so we use it to talk about decades. In the next century, in the Ice Age, in the past, in the future, in the morning, in the afternoon. And finally, on, which is in the middle of at and in. So we use it to talk about days, for example, on Sunday, on Tuesday, or we can use it with a month and a day, for example, on March 6, on December 25, or we can say on Christmas Day, which is the same, on Independence Day, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve. Now we're going to see some examples in sentences using prepositions of time. For example, I eat lunch at 2:30 p.m. Here we're going to use the preposition at because we're talking about hour. My birthday is in April. Here we're using the preposition in because April is a month. And finally, I didn't do my homework on Sunday. Here we're going to use the preposition on because Sunday is a day. So as you can see, in, on, at are used depending on the time that we're using in the sentence. Here's the activity. Read the sentences carefully. Complete the sentences using prepositions of time. Write the activity in your copybook. Send the activity to our email, english.cmhn@gmail.com, with your name and grade. If you have any questions about the activity or the contents, remember that you can send us an email and we will answer you as soon as possible. Activity. Complete the sentences using prepositions of time. Remember, you have to write and answer everything in your copybook. Take care and stay safe. Bye!